Plaintiff Carrie Fleischer is suing her mother for an unpaid cell phone bill, cancellation fees, and emotional distress. Carrie claims her mother is so strung out on drugs that she sold Carrie's younger sister's pain pills, and now Carrie's trying to get legal custody of her siblings. Defendant Karen Robinson admits to using drugs, but she denies selling her daughter's prescription. Karen says she has raised her own children, and she's countersuing for emotional distress.
Remain standing. The Honorable Judge Jeanine Pirro presiding.
Hello, Doug.
Hello, Judge. Please be seated.
All right. The plaintiff is suing her mother for an unpaid cell phone bill, cancellation fees, and emotional distress. And her mother, Karen, is countersuing her daughter for emotional distress. All right, Carrie, state your case, please.
I love my mother, and I'm not here to embarrass her in any kind of way. However, if I would have grown up, Your Honor, with a mother that took care of me like she should have, we wouldn't be here and I wouldn't be suing her today. Because my mother is strung out on drugs and hanging out with the wrong people, I have been forced to step up and be a provider and a parent figure for my younger siblings.
How old are you?
I'm 27.
All right. And you are a provider for your younger siblings?
Yes.
How old are they?
Portia's 20. I have a 15-year-old sister, Jeanine, a 12-year-old sister, China, and an 8-year-old brother, Roosevelt.
Is this China?
Yes.
Okay. And where does everybody live? Do you live together?
No. I'm married. I have a husband. I have 2 kids of my own. And the situation is kind of crazy because they're kind of back and forth with me. I recently called DCFS to try to get custody of him. Because
really?
Yes.
Why would you try to get custody of your mother's children?
Well, Your Honor, it's just hard because when I was born, Karen had me when she was 16. My grandparents raised me.
What, you don't call her mom?
No.
Why?
Because I feel like she is my sister more than my mother because my grandparents raised me. And so my father...
Did your parents raise?
Yes, ma'am, they did.
Why? Where were you?
I was home. I went to school and everything. I had her when I was 15 years old, about a 28-year-old married man, okay? My mother raised Nate, okay? And
your mother raised?
She raised her. Me and Nate was more like sisters.
Carrie.
I call Carrie, sorry. I call Carrie. Her name is Carrie Nate Robson. I call her Nate by her middle name. Okay. Yes, I got involved with drugs and everything. And
Did you go to jail?
I went to school, I went to college and everything.
Did you go to jail?
No, I've never been, no. I never went to jail.
You still addicted?
Well, yeah, I still use sometimes. Yeah, I'm not going to lie.
How do you pay for it?
Well, my friends, I have friends that just buy it for me or whatever, But
do you work?
She paid for it with her welfare check.
Do you work?
I don't get a welfare check. No, I'm not working right now, no.
Why not?
Well, I really haven't worked.
Because you're lazy and you'd rather smoke weed and have a bunch of kids.
Okay, maybe you're right. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I don't want to be right. I want you to understand your situation.
Mm-hmm.
You're a smart, good-looking woman.
Thank you very much.
You got kids. You've got one daughter who's trying to be a mother to the rest of your kids. Get a job or take care of your kids. Why are you not taking care of your own kids?
Well, Nate is used to getting them. I take care of my kids now. I may do some things that's bad.
Then why does she want to seek custody? And by the way, does she only do weed?
No. I know. I don't know
shock.
if it's crack, cocaine, whatever it is. She does hard drugs, Your Honor.
How do you know?
I know because they in the house with it all the time. That's why I want to get them. They haven't seen you, but they know what's going on because she's in another room.
Not I never used it. They've never seen me use it.
Your Honor, the reason why I called DCFS, there is an active case pending right now. I called DCFS because my 12-year-old sister broke her leg. And when she had surgery on her leg, Your Honor, and she was in the hospital for 3 days. When she got out of the hospital, she did not give her pain pills. She took her pain pills and she sold them so she could go and get whatever she wanted to get. I had to go over there and get her. I had to go over there. I got her. I took them to my house. I called DCFS by Tuesday. She got 50 pain pills. I called DCFS Monday. Tuesday they went out. She didn't have it. She had 6 pills left.
Miss Jeanine, that's not the truth. You can call DCFS.
I took my sister to the doctor.
They gave me a drop and it was clean in the case.
It's not dropped. The DCFS lady was supposed to come out today.
I took one drop. Your Honor, you can call DCFS.
Has DCFS investigated her before?
Yes.
You know what? There is no way
that if
DCFS has investigated you before, that they would close a case out in a few days. So don't lie to me.
I have no pen. I have no open case.
I don't care if you were clean. She said you sold the drugs.
I did not. That's not the truth. I have her.
Is this a 12-year-old?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you break your leg, honey? How'd you do that?
I was playing at the park.
You were playing at the park?
I have her x-rays right here, Your Honor. I took her to that doctor's appointment.
You took her because you had a car. I don't have a car.
If it was for her, Your Honor, she would have found a way to get there. She found a way to do everything for herself, Your Honor, but she never does anything for my sister.
If you wouldn't have took her, you called me and told me you
through her leg,
Your Honor, that's not true. She called me and told me she was going to take her.
Was this a clean break?
The separation, her growing bone, and all her knee was separated. Everything, nothing was together. When I got her prescription.
Do you know how much pain she was in when that was done?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. Yes,
and you gave away her pain medication?
The nurse told me that if the prescription was too strong, that I could have him change.
My mother doesn't even cook for them. She tells them that they.
Your Honor. I cook every day.
She say she'll cook for my 8-year-old brother because he a baby, but she won't cook for them. Your Honor, the reason why she had a case on her before was because my 8-year-old brother was born with drugs in his system.
That's not the truth, Your Honor.
That's why she had
never had drugs in her.
Why isn't she in jail?
Because I don't deserve to be in jail. And if you can check the case, my son did not have drugs in his system at all.
The placenta had drugs in it, but the
placenta did not have drugs in it either.
What did it have?
It had weed, but that was it. There wasn't no cocaine. I mean, no weed, but not no cocaine. What you trying to say? It was none of that.
Proud of yourself? You've got a baby inside of you, and your baby's
I smoked weed when I was pregnant.
Weed?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Wow.
I take care of my kids and I cook every day.
You don't take care of your kids. Your daughter comes out of the hospital after breaking her leg and goes to your other daughter.
My bathroom is downstairs and her bedroom is upstairs. And she have an extra bedroom with a bathroom in it. That's why. And she normally get them every weekend anyway because of the high crime in our area. That's why.
You come with me. Tell me your name.
China.
China?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful name. How old are you?
12.
What's your name?
Yeah, 14.
And you?
My name's Porsche.
Porsche?
Yeah.
Yeah? How old are you, Porsche?
20.
I need you to be honest with me. All right? I want to help you. You broke your leg, China. Why didn't you go home with your mom after you were in the hospital?
Well, one reason was because the bathroom was downstairs and I couldn't keep going up and down the stairs. And another reason was because she did sell my pills. She said she didn't sell them. She said she gave them away or whatever because they were too strong for me. But the doctor said, my sister said that if they were too strong, the doctor would never prescribe them for me.
Do you know what kind of pills they were?
Tylenol 3 with codeine.
So they were pain medication because you had broken your leg.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel about the fact that your mother took your prescription pills that were given to you for pain and sold them or gave them away for something else?
It hurted, like, to know that she would actually do something like that to me after I broke my leg. And the way she said it on the phone, really, like she didn't care. And I love her to death, but it hurts bad.
Of course it hurts. What's it like living with your mom?
Undescribable. She ain't never really there.
What kind of drugs does your mom do?
Weed, crack, I guess, and that's it.
Do you believe your mom is doing crack?
I don't know what she doing, but at least she doing weed and
That's
she
what we
gotta be
say
doing
her do.
cocaine.
Like, we don't know.
But that's about all we know.
And cocaine? How does she pay for this?
She probably we get checks.
All right. Does she cook for you?
She cooked for my little brother and her boyfriend. She say, I only cook for my man and Roosevelt. Y'all old enough to cook for yourself.
Okay. So you're 12 years old and you're 14. You're supposed to cook for yourself. Porsche, talk to me.
The neglect that they're talking about, yes. She's sometimes with them. She's not consistent like you're supposed to be with, your kids.
How do you feel about your mother?
I feel that she's just lost it. Like, she been doing drugs or whatever she been doing for so long that
she needs some help. She needs some guidance. That's what she needs.
Just, by the way, who gets you ready for school?
Well, we get ourselves ready for school and get our little brother ready for school.
You get your
Sometimes
When
when
she's not there, we
Like,
get him
yeah.
ready for school, wash his clothes.
Sometimes when she does, she
You
get
do
her
the
ready.
laundry?
Yeah.
Basically, pretty much, yeah.
All right. This is not the way families act. This is not the way mothers behave. You two are survivors. You've learned how to survive in spite of what's going on. I want you to look forward and make a decision today that you're never going to do to your children what your mother's done to you. You've got to break the cycle. You're capable of doing it. You are very bright, each one of you. You're going to be just fine. Okay? All right. Let's go out.
Please remain seated. Court is back in session.
The defendant owes the plaintiff money for unpaid cell phone bills. Tell me about that case.
For Christmas, I told Karen that I was thinking about getting Deanna a prepaid cell phone, and
Not the truth, Your Honor.
that she would have
She
to.
ordered the phones already and told me I was going to pay $80. Now, if I was such a drug addict, you know a drug addict was not going to pay no $80 a month. I
So
never
is
agreed.
that
We
an
never know what I'm
admission?
saying is I
Is
never.
that an admission that you are a drug addict?
No, this is what she know. I'm not a drug addict. Yeah, well, I guess I am a drug addict because I do smoke weed. Okay, if that's what you want to call it. But Your Honor, $300-400 for these kids a month.
For these
okay?
kids and for weed.
Well, when I want to buy, yes. Okay, but the thing about it is, my daughter didn't give me anything. I bought my own phone.
That's a blunt lie. If you look at my cell phone bills, Your Honor, you can see in December, here's everything. The cell phone bills and
What do you do, Carrie?
I'm a account manager for a distribution company.
Okay, unpaid cell phone bills, March 80, April 80, May 80, total $240, and a cancellation fee, $200 a line would be $640. You're also suing for emotional distress.
The only thing I can do is inform her of the type of mother that I want her to be. I cannot transform her into what she needs to be. You have a problem.
Well, I'm getting better. I mean, I'm doing.
How are you getting better?
I don't
Your
think-
daughter just broke her
They was
leg.
giving her the medicine in the hospital, and they was had her all drugged out. So before we left the hospital, I
Of course
said,
they had her drugged out. She just broke her leg.
okay, maybe she did, but still,
Yes,
certain
she did.
medications don't supposed to have you like
Well,
she had.
what are
I asked
you,
the
a
nurse, I said,
pharmacist? Do you know, Karen, I am using everything within me to have compassion for you because my law enforcement instincts are to lock your butt up.
Okay.
Because as far as I'm concerned, you are a danger to these kids. You are
How do you
taking
figure that, Your
pain
Honor?
medication that your daughter, did you hear what she told me? She broke her leg. You took her medication and either sold it or gave it away. How dare you do
I did
that?
give it away. I did not sell it.
These kids are washing their own clothes. You're giving away their pain medication. Your daughter's suing you, trying to take care of your kids. What's the matter with you? What happened to you that you took this path?
I guess I really don't know.
What happened? You know you're not a good mother.
No, I know I could be a better mother than when I
Of course you
Yes,
can.
I know I do
and you know
that.
what? They love you. Here's the deal. You're going to go into rehab, or I'm calling CPS, or if you really make me angry, I'm going to call law enforcement. You're suing her for unpaid cell phone bill cancellation fee. You got it. That's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer. You're suing her for emotional distress. I'm not going to give you a dime because I know what you're going to do with it. All right. If you don't go and you don't complete the program, I will not just call CPS. I will go meet with them myself. So what we're going to do is we're going to move forward from here. We're going to try to be a better mother. You're going to appreciate the fact that you have outstanding girls, starting with this one.
I already appreciate it. And they already know
Is
I
an
love them.
example to every mother of what a mother should be. Good luck to you and verdict for the plaintiff.
I feel for my mom to go rehab, it'll be good if she wants to do it.
And I will do it because I want to do it, not because I'm forced to do it. Just so we can be a better family. And that's a promise.
I'm very proud of Karen. She took me up on my offer and went to rehab. Let's take a look.
Okay, so as you know, Judge Pirro offered to help you with your addiction. And so today you need to pack your bags because you're going to go to California for 30 days to a better tomorrow. And they're going to help you recover.
I'm really ready to go. I'm ready for myself, really. Not for the kids, not for the children, because I don't have to do this, but I really want to do it for myself, you know, for a better life.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Rehab is the first step, but I'm going to be watching you, Karen. And if you mess up once you get out of rehab, I will personally call DCFS on you. This is your one chance to save your life and make a better one for your children.